What's up, guys? Welcome to this episode of Angels Travel and Unravel. It's another episode of Griddle Time vlog number 3. Okay, so in this episode we're obviously cooking on the Blackstone Griddle, 36-inch Blackstone Griddle. We're getting it heated up right now. We're going to pre-oil it, and today we are making honey chipotle salmon and Yukon Gold potatoes, baked potatoes, as well as some skirt steak for those in our family that don't like salmon. So the good thing about the Blackstone Griddle is we can kind of cook the fish on this side, or we can cook the steak on the other side, and they never have to touch each other, so that we can please everybody. And then everyone loves baked potatoes, so we're gonna have some baked potatoes which we're gonna bake inside. We'll put them into the mini oven that we have inside, and they'll cook in there for about 45 to 50 minutes on 400. So first things first, let's start with putting that coating of, we're gonna do olive oil this time instead of canola oil on the grill, so that we can get that nice sear on the steaks as well as the salmon. We got those skirt steaks nice and seasoned with that Montreal steak seasoning that we used earlier. Gonna put a little bit more of it once we get them on the griddle. Salmon came pre-seasoned, so we don't have to do anything to it. They're ready to go and get put right on the griddle. Again, I'm using a blend of canola and extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so there will be a little bit of canola, but there'll be mostly extra virgin olive oil. Picked this up at Costco. It's been a wonderful, wonderful mix. That's all you need. See, there's no particular order that you have to do this. You just want to coat the whole thing. Now we're gonna lay these steaks down. Yeah, nice and hot, high heat. Get that nice sear. And then the salmons we'll put on this side. And look at how nice those are cooking. Hear that sear? Peek a little bit, how you see it's coming out. Beautiful. A little bit more of the pink Himalayan salt. More of the Montreal steak. So you see, you can really keep everything separate, which is cool. We got our steak for the meat lovers. We have a veggie patty here for the vegetarian in our family. And then we've got the salmon cooking up on this side for the fish lovers. So everybody could have what they want, which is really, really cool. Now, I know what you're thinking. These steaks should not be well done, but I'm not eating them today. If I was eating them, they would have been a nice medium. But the people that are eating them want them well done. So, gotta give the people what they want. I know, it's a sin. Now once you're done cooking, like we always say, you want to put one more coating of oil, let it burn off, and then cut it out.